Welcome back to El Shami Explains. For the last 2 years, we have been operating under the assumption that AI belongs in the cloud. You send your data to a massive server farm, wait for a response, and pay a premium for the privilege. But in 2026, that architectural model is hitting a wall. Enterprises are facing a privacy tax that is stalling adoption. If your data is proprietary, sensitive, or subject to strict compliance, you cannot send it to a third-party API. You simply can't. Today, we are talking about the biggest infrastructure shift of the year, the move from data to model to data. We are entering the era of on-device AI. The shift is driven by hardware. We are no longer waiting for supercomputers. With the integration of advanced neural processing units, or NPUs, in high-performance hardware, like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8, the compute power required to run sophisticated, fine-tuned small language models is finally sitting in our pockets. This changes the fundamental engineering equation. In a cloud architecture, you are fighting a constant battle with network latency. A standard round trip to a cloud server takes 500 milliseconds on a good day. For real-time applications like automated customer support or live data processing, that latency is unacceptable. Local inference brings that down to under 50 milliseconds. Because the compute happens right where the data lives, you eliminate the network bottleneck entirely. You are no longer tethered to an internet connection to run your logic. But the biggest win here isn't just speed, it is sovereignty. When you adopt a model-to-data architecture, your proprietary data never leaves your infrastructure. It never enters a third-party pipeline. You own the inference, you own the data, and you own the security. So, how do you actually deploy this? You stop looking for the biggest model and start looking for the most efficient quantized model. We're seeing incredible results from 7 to 14 billion parameter models that have been specifically distilled for edge deployment. These models are lean, specialized, and capable of handling complex reasoning tasks like parsing contracts, summarizing technical logs, or categorizing help tickets with the same accuracy as a giant cloud model, but without the recurring token costs. For the technical leads watching this is your Monday morning priority. Stop asking how to get more data into the cloud and start auditing which of your core AI workflows can be moved to local inference. Start by identifying tasks that require low latency or handle sensitive PII. Quantize your models for the hardware you have and build a routing layer that keeps high security tasks strictly on device. The era of defaulting to cloud-only AI is ending. The future belongs to lean, local, and sovereign intelligence. Are you currently blocked from using AI due to compliance and security constraints? Let me know in the comments if local inference is the solution your team has been waiting for. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.